Today, on I Like Nature More Than You, we're going to talk about moths. Did you know that they enter the world as a tiny little egg? A hungry caterpillar pops out of that egg looking for some leaves to munch on. When it eats enough, it makes a cocoon and grows and grows and grows until it pops out and it grows into the beautiful adult moth. Most of these beautiful creatures, these moths, travel at night, hence the darkness, unlike butterflies who are during the day. Fun fact about moths, they taste with their feet. Moths rest with their wings spread out. Butterflies fold them up when they sit. Most of them are not as colorful as butterflies, but they're still beautiful in some way or another. Would you rather be a moth or a butterfly? Do you like daytime or nighttime? My favorite moth is the Luna moth or the leopard moth. What's yours? If you don't know, look some up in your area. Last but not least, how can you tell the difference between a moth and a butterfly in their antenna? Well, moths have like comb-like feathers on their antenna, where a butterfly is straight and has a little knob at the top. The more you know. Now go out and see what you can find. It's dark.